Hello viewers, welcome to Simply Food. Today I am going to show you a chicken recipe, my own version chicken kosha. It's very easy and quick recipe. Let's see what we'll need for this recipe. 800 gram chicken, 3 medium sized onion, 1 chopped tomato, ginger garlic paste, 2 bay leaves, cardamoms, cloves, cinnamon stick, turmeric powder, red chilli powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala powder, kasuri methi, salt, clarified butter or ghee, and mustard oil. Into a pan, add 2 tablespoons mustard oil and 1 teaspoon clarified butter or ghee. Ghee is totally optional. Temper the oil with 2 bay leaves, 4 cloves, 3 cardamoms and cinnamon stick. Now add 3 medium-sized sliced onion. Fry the onion for 3 to 4 minutes and make it transparent on medium heat. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Mix it nicely with the onions. Add chopped tomato. Mix it again for 1 minute. Now add cleaned chicken pieces. Mix them gently. After cook the chicken for a few minutes, add masalas one by one. First add 2 teaspoon turmeric powder, 3 teaspoon red chilli powder, 2 teaspoon cumin powder and 1.5 teaspoon coriander powder. Mix them very nicely. Now add salt as per your taste. Stir it. Now add water. Put on the lid and cook for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, put off the lid, add Kasuri Methi, stir it. Add little bit of Garam Masala Powder, very little. Mix the chicken nicely. Now my version of chicken kosha is ready and served. Serve this with roti or hot basmati rice. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do comment on this video. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you.